Well, we are in Punjab's Ajnala at this point in time. This is a town which is not very far away from the Amritsar city. Right now I'm standing on a dilapidated bridge. This bridge is on what the locals call as the Saki River. Well, the Saki River isn't really a river. It's referred to as in Punjabi as a river body that has been drying up. But as you can see, this is far from drying up. What's important to understand is that after the water levels rose in the river Ravi, this entire water body has been flooded with water. You can see that the flow of water is tremendous over here. Now remember, what's important is that this was earlier a water body which had no river. In fact, it was called a dried up river. So you can see just amount of water that there is here. Apart from this, we'll also ask my camera person to, show you the end of these visuals. You can see over there that there is some sort of a hut over there. Now that's completely submerged by water. What I have been told is that that area used to be where there were a lot of fields there. There was a lot of rice cultivation there, which of course has been completely destroyed owing to, of course, incessant rainfall and flooding in the area. So what's important to understand is that I'm standing at a point at which there is a lot of river in a river body which used to be absolutely some sort of, in a way, one could call it barren. And on the other hand, there's also fields which were basically full of, of course, crops. But, you can see that the crops has been completely destroyed at this point in time. Now, apart from this, I'll also show you the other side. Now, this is the other side of the Saki River. Of course, visuals, that's in fact the spirit of Punjab, as you can see. Scores of people have come in to bring in rescue and as well as aid materials to the villages in Ajnala that have been impacted by it. This is, in fact, the bridge that connects from the Amritsar city to Ajnala, and what I've been told by locals is that there is a lot of pressure on this bridge because it's built, it's an old construction, as you can see. So of course, because of people coming in over here, it's getting a lot of load, more than in fact it can take. And what's also intriguing is the fact that in Punjab, especially in this area, we are also seeing a lot of locals come in from different villages to sort of contribute and help the village come back at its feet. Well, this is Reet Kaur Sahani reporting with camera person Shiv Kumar from Ajnala for NDTV. Well, I'm in Punjab's Ajnala at this point in time, and as you can see, this area is completely inundated with floods. You can see around me there is knee-deep water as far as the eye can see. Over there you can see a Gurudwara that's also been submerged by the floods. A lot of water has entered into the Gurudwara as well. You can see that vehicles are having a lot of problem moving through the traffic at this point in time. These are locals that are trying to get into villages where there are floods, there is water at this point in time to bring rescue and aid at this point in time.
देखो आप कितने लोग यहाँ परेशान हो रहे हैं और यहाँ परेशानी के कारण जो यहाँ के माल डंगर हैं वो भी बहुत बुरी तदार पे हैं।
जो आप कह रहे हैं कैटल है, वो भी जो आपके पशु है, वो
पशु है, जो काऊ बफलो वगैरह है, जहाँ कोई भी जानवर है।
तो आप ये कह रहे हैं कि ये रेस्क्यू मटेरियल जो भी सारा आ रहा है, ये सारी संस्थाएं ला रही हैं, ये सरकार की नहीं है?
सरकार के अगर पास होता तो आज इतना काम होता। सरकार के बस की बात नहीं है। ये लोग टुगेदर होके सब एक दूसरे के साथ निभा के सब सेवा चल रही है।
आपका स्कूल कितने टाइम से बंद है?
हाँ जी, 2 महीने तो बंद।
He's saying that his school has been shut for the past 2 months, and what's important to understand is that, as you can hear, there is a lot of anger amongst the villagers. They're asking for the government to take action. They're asking for the government to come up and help, villagers come back on its feet, help this village come back on its feet. Like he just mentioned that at this point in time, there are only NGOs and there are only volunteer organizations that are coming forth, and they are saying that there is no government help that they are getting at this moment.